Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech on Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I have already opened my Capcut. Now we will add the text. Let me write some, then adjust the size of the text. You can also add effects on the text. Then go up right here and click on the text-to-speech. Now there are so many voices that you can use in your videos. I will choose Jesse, then click on Generate Speech. Guys, you can see the speech that AI has generated. Let's play.
Everybody, welcome back to the channel and please make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Also, if you want to add some voice changers, then you will see 3 more options: voice filters, voice characters, and singing voice. You can play them and see what looks good with the voice. You can also increase and decrease the speed of the speech. That's how you can use text-to-speech on a Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and want to know how to add auto captions in Capcut PC. Then, watch this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.